As you see, we are here back with our lovely model for today, Leanne from England. She was here first time in Vivian Hair Design. This is her hairstyle. We did for her a lovely nice hair bob, beautiful and very nice. I will turn a little bit like this. Leanne, can you turn the chair so everybody can see your haircut, please? Oh, thank you very much, Leanne. See, nice, lovely hair bob hairstyle. Yes, turn more. So, very nice, very lovely, very beautiful haircut. We are here very happy in Vivian Hair Design with her style. So we will ask Leanne, do you like your hair? Do you want to say anything to everybody there in the wall?
Absolutely lovely. It makes such a difference. Feels a lot better, feels a lot healthier. So definitely, ladies, come on down to Vivian's Hair Design.
Oh, thank you very much, Leanne, for being here in
Pleasure.
Vivian Hair Design. First time, yes?
Yes.
Thank you very, very much.
And I'll be back again.
Oh, thank you very, very much. This was Leanne from England. Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Hi, my name's Leanne, I'm from England. I've just popped into Vivian's Hair Design today, and what a brilliant job the girls have done. Really enjoyed myself, hair looking lovely, all ready for tonight, ladies. So come on down, take a look. What a fabulous job. Thank you ever so much, ladies. Much appreciated. Bye.